Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit an issue here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing an issue here in Jira is a straightforward process that will allow you to update its details, change its status, or modify other relevant information. Okay, so just go to the project that you are currently working on. In my case, that's going to be a backlog, and this is going to be the issue that I'm going to edit. You see, there's a pencil here icon. If you click on that, you would be able to rename the title if you wanted, and click on OK. And if you click on that, you would be able to have this dashboard. You can edit the description if you wanted. For example, this one, you can change the font size, right? You can change even the text color. I'm going to choose a blue one. And of course, you can put in some more information such as a link or an image, video, or file. Let's do that right now. Now, I've attached an image here. And once you're happy with all the changes that you have made here on your issue in Jira, you can click on save, all right? But of course, you have more options here. You can click an issue, you can add a web link, you can add a child issue if you wanted, all right? We're not gonna do that right now. You can add another attachment here. On the more option, you can add apps, but we're not gonna deal with that. I'm going to escape this for now because we have a separate video for that. But of course, I'm just showing you what are the essentials or what you can do editing an issue here in Jira. You see, you can only go to the actions wherein you can add a flag, you can connect this specific issue to a Slack channel, add a parent, move, clone, delete, actions menu, you can print, you can export to XML, export Word. You can also have an option to configure, right? So there's a lot that you can work with, and when you click on the share button, you can put in some names, themes, or optional message for your team if you are working with multiple freelancers or clients here at the same time, to ensure they have the necessary permissions to edit the issue. Because if you don't have the edit button, you may need to check with your Jira administrator or project lead. And of course, if the issue is affecting all team members, you consider communicating the changes to keep everyone informed here. All right, so that is one of the quickest way on how to edit an issue, and of course, working on multiple workarounds here. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.